Could you play one more song with some flex, maybe? I can get some sub flex on this. Oh, this looks really good.
I should have cleaned it.
It's all right. You got a little dust on the top, that's all. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Who built the box? This looks really good.
You did it before. At the one in Savannah. It was a guy in Jessup. Okay. The only thing I've done now is I put 4 EVLs, but I need to get two more amps.
So, could you tell me, like I don't know, your name and what's in here, man?
Name's Zach Smith, and I got 4 EVL 10s on 2 RP 2Ks.
Nice. Looks really clean. You don't have any wires showing. Wow.
It's all behind this.
There you go. And are these at 1 ohm, the amps?
Yes, they are.
Okay. Do you know the tuning on your box?
35.
35 hertz, okay. There's your ports down there too. I see them. Okay.
I think I might go to some SVK 3500s.
Oh, you think, I was going to say you upgraded your motor force of your sub, so you think you might have, oh.
Yeah.
That would be a lot more pressure.
Yeah.
Do you have the, what size alternator is there?
Stock.
Oh, you might have to upgrade that then.
Stock alt.
Yep.
And then I got an extra battery in here.
There you go. Very nice. Looks really good.
Thank you.
So you want to go to 2 3500s, you think?
Maybe.
That's a lot more power.
Yeah.
You might blow something.
Yeah. I already broke the windshield.
Oh man.
It was like what was it, 99 out? Yeah, 99 out. We were riding it. And it was like this. And this thing is stiff too. You can feel
it moves a lot. Appreciate it, man.
Thank you.
What was your name?
Zach Smith.
Zach. Thanks, Zach. Is there a way I can take a picture real quick? Is the side door open too?
Yeah, they both open.
Oh, there it is. Could you play one more song with some flex, maybe? I can get some sub flex on this. Oh, this looks really good.
I should have cleaned it.
It's all right. You got a little dust on the top, that's all. Do you know your tuning on this?
It's 35.
35, okay. Have you done any SPL testing, just to know?
I have. Well, it was 144.7.
Okay.
Which, it was the same on my SVRs.
Yeah.
And these are the EVOs. So that's why I need to upgrade the amps.
More power to push the motor force.
I'm going to have to get another battery and another alternator.
Yeah. Awesome. Hey, thank you very much again, man.
150.
Oh, well, you'll break the 50.
That's what I'm going for.
Going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the walk around we just got of Zachary's truck system. Very unique style box. Of course, he doesn't have his back seats in, but he fit 4 10-inch subwoofers in an efficient box subwoofer build in here. And also, I went ahead and put a previous link in the description. This was the thumbnail at the time of his previous subs. He still ran SCAR subs before, but he upgraded to the EVLs. So I think he had twice as much motor force with the same amount of power, and he's planning to eventually upgrade the power, as he was saying in the video. So if you haven't already, comment. Let him know what you think about his system. Say some positive things about Zach. Shout out to you, man. You did a really good job. So this was at a local Dublin, Georgia show called the Small Town Showdown in 2021, hosted by Peyton. Shout out to you, man. So going to get to show y'all some sub flex, some panel flex, tearing up his truck on the outside and inside, and 2-song demo. He's going to play 2 different songs for us to hear. I really like the way he has his amplifier battery staging and his battery bank. Of course, is in between the subs, the way the box looks like it was structured between 2 different boxes and then paneled off for a beauty panel. But he did a good job, whoever did build it. Shout out to you, did a really nice job. Of course, he's going to have to upgrade battery power and alternator, especially going with the 2 3500s he's planning to do. But looking forward to hearing that demo, and y'all going to stay tuned for that one in the coming future as well. So we're going to go ahead and get to the subwoofer bass demo now. Consider subscribing if you haven't already for daily cardio videos, and enjoy the subflex. All right.
from the camera. I ain't going outside tonight. So I'm taking on everything. We don't do it drive by in the rain. I'ma take it to charge. I beat the game. I don't do no talk, so get the fuck out of my face. Gotta take it to charge. $100,000 up in the rain. You know I ain't sleeping, you know that I'm winning. I shoot 'em right up in space.
Thanks for showing me though. Yeah, man.
SVK 3500s.
Oh, you think? I was gonna say you upgraded your motor force of your sub, so you think you might have. Oh,
yeah,
that would be a lot more pressure.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.